Okay, today we're going to remove and replace a left front strut on a 2000 Volvo C70. I've soaked all the bolts in with WD-40 overnight so they'd be easier to break free. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top bolts off, leaving just this one over here hanging so the thing doesn't fall down. So here we go. Okay, so on the lower end, we're going to remove three nuts, 2 bolts. The first one is up here on the sway bar attachment arm, and the other 2 are right here, and one down here on the end of this wrench. Okay, so I broke it free with the pneumatic, but what we're going to have to do is put a star drive in the center and put a wrench on the nut and hold it that way. Okay, so we got a T30 star drive in the middle and a 13 or 15 millimeter box end wrench to turn the nut. And that nut's off, so just push this back out of the way. Okay, so now I'm going to take these 2 bolts out right here and this lower one at the end of this wrench. So I got the nuts broke free. I added some more WD-40 to make it easier. We're using a 17 and an 18 millimeter half-inch drive socket. I always like to put some type of lubricant on the nuts and bolts after I take them off so they're easier to put back on. So it's just hanging by that nut on the top that I left on earlier. I'm just going to take that off. And hopefully it'll come out. Alright, it came out. Now it's time to put the new one in. Okay, so I put the new strut assembly in and I brought it up and I'm going to install it the exact same way I took the old one out. So we'll start at the top. We'll tighten these through. So these are lock nuts. They came with the new struts. Alright, we'll move down to the bottom. Okay, so now I've got the new strut in place where it needs to go. I've got the lower two bolts in place, and I'm going to attach the sway bar attachment arm. So I've got the sway bar attachment bar on loosely. I'm going to try to get these on. I'm just going to snug them up with the pneumatics because it's a lot quicker. Okay, those are on. Put the brake sensor. The replacements are actually better than the factory. So they've got this metal holder. Factory had a plastic. So we're going to tighten this up and then we'll be done. Alright, that's how you change a front strut. Same thing on the other side. I got the WD-40 and the struts on Amazon, so there'll be links